It's getting messy here. And where is the second Pokemon miniature?
I have no idea. Could you solve it somehow and clean this mess? Thanks.
Okay, I will create labels and assign files to them. There are two ways to upload gCodes. First method is easy. Just click on Upload gCode button and then on Choose a file. Second method is drag and drop a file. Let's organize all files with labels. For example, label private will be for personal prints. For each member, I will create a sublabel. Next label group will be project label. For example, sublabel for filament samples prints. As second example, I create Pokemon label. Now assign the files to the labels. Everything is done, so let's start the new project.